All right, beauties. I am working on getting back to my original goal, which was the lower end of my weight maintenance range. I took about a 6 week maintenance cycle due to the self quarantining, COVID-19 situation. And last week I reported in after what I call my gradual, start to decrease. So I have now really dialed things in. I'm staying between 15 and 1800 calories per day. I think the average for this last week was right around 1730 on my caloric intake for 7 days. I would say, as far as fitness goes, the only big change is I have gone back to doing a more traditional 4 day split routine with dumbbell strength training versus just kind of doing whatever I want. And I didn't do any jump rope. I didn't do any cardio whatsoever, outside of just walking, right? And where my weight has settled in, I have lost an average of 1.1 pounds this week. Scale weight would be different if you compared Sunday to Sunday. I did an entire posting on that. I always focus on average weight. I don't focus on daily weight. But if you were to look at daily weight, it'd be like 1.6 pounds from Sunday to Sunday. So overall, a really good outcome. And if I were to say, what are the changes that help? Because see, I can quote unquote be maintaining at 1800, but that's a sloppy 1800. And what do I mean by sloppy? Well, if for me, I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. And so I have to weigh everything. If I'm saying I'm hitting 17, 20, or 25 average, that is legit everything that goes in my mouth. I weigh zucchini, I weigh onions, I weigh fruits. I have pre-measured out my protein powder and put it in little Tupperware containers. I have to take it to the next level if I want to strip off some fat, because if I shoot for 18 to 2000 calories, more in a maintenance mindset, I don't do all those things. I kind of just eyeball this and that, especially my fruits and vegetables. And over the course of a day, that, believe it or not, I know it sounds crazy, but believe it or not, that can kick me out of the realm of losing body weight. So when I first started, that was absolutely not the case. And I don't think a lot of people have to start there. But often I hear from people saying, I want to lose that last 10 to 20, or I want to, trim up a little bit. And sometimes everything is kind of dialed in. They're already eating great. They're hitting what seems to be a good protein amount. They're getting in lots of activity, but they're not measuring those things like fruits and vegetables, and maybe they're overestimating their protein powders or nut butters or whatever. I'm sorry, they're not overestimating, they're underestimating. And those little bits, when you have a little bit of weight to lose, or that a little bit of weight you want to lose, can make a huge difference. So for me, that's what it looks like. This week has been great. Like I said, just pre-measuring my protein powder has been a huge time saver. Definitely doing that again this week when I prep. I always pre-measure out my cereal and I bag it in Ziploc bags for my nighttime protein smoothie. I believe treats are required for weight loss. If I can't have my nighttime treat, I have a hard time adhering to my calorie target for the day. So that is going to be happening as well. I'm going to stick within the same calorie range for this next week, see how that works out. I'm extremely sore today from the workouts this week because obviously they are different than what I had been doing, which was a lot of jump rope circuit stuff that I've been finding on YouTube. So I am going to continue and hopefully not be as sore this next week. But I'm overall really excited to see the marker going down. My first benchmark goal is 155 to 157 for my average weight. And then once I achieve that, I may bump it down again. You guys have a great day. If you have any questions about weight loss, fat loss, anything like that, just let me know below and I will see about getting a video. And if you like videos like this, if you like information on how to do this process, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am turning out tons of content. And the more people that are there checking it out, the better it helps others find kind of a sane, sensible answer to weight loss instead of some of the crazy stuff that's out there. So help me with this mission. Like, subscribe, set up for notifications. You have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.